Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to lose weight, you've probably heard about intermittent fasting. It's one of the most popular weight loss methods out there, but how does it actually work? In today's video, we'll cover everything you need to know about intermittent fasting and how it can help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. There are several methods, but the most common is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. So, how does intermittent fasting help you lose weight? When you fast, your body switches from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch promotes fat loss and can lead to a reduction in body fat over time. Additionally, fasting lowers insulin levels, which helps improve fat burning and can even reduce hunger. There are several key benefits to intermittent fasting for weight loss. First, it can help you eat fewer calories without feeling deprived since you're eating within a shorter time frame. Second, it increases your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even while at rest. Finally, intermittent fasting improves your relationship with food by focusing on meal timing rather than strict food restrictions. There are a few different intermittent fasting methods, so you can choose the one that works best for your lifestyle. The most popular is the 16/8 method, but others include the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories on 2 days. There's also the Eat-Stop-Eat method, which involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. While intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat, it's still important to choose nutritious whole foods during your eating window. Focus on lean proteins, healthy fats, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks, which can spike your blood sugar and lead to weight gain. Eating nutrient-dense foods will help you feel full and energized during your fasting periods. If you're ready to give intermittent fasting a try, start slow. Begin with a 12-hour fasting window and gradually increase it to 14 or 16 hours as your body adjusts. You can choose to fast overnight by skipping breakfast or stop eating after dinner. Be consistent and listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard at the beginning. Here are a few tips for success. First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee during your fasting period to keep hunger at bay. Second, keep yourself busy. Sometimes hunger is just boredom in disguise. Third, get enough sleep and manage stress, as both can affect your hunger levels and make fasting harder. While intermittent fasting can be effective for many, it's not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions should avoid fasting without consulting a healthcare provider. Always talk to your doctor before starting a new diet or fasting routine. So there you have it. Intermittent fasting can be an effective and flexible way to lose weight, improve metabolism, and develop healthier eating habits. Remember, it's important to choose the right method for your lifestyle and listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments, are you trying intermittent fasting or are you thinking about it? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.